very welcome to this channel. You are very welcome to this channel. Today we are going to talk how to play keyboard solo. How to play keyboard solo. How to play keyboard solo. You see, if you want to play a keyboard solo, there are some 3 steps you have to know. Number 1 is the chord of the song or the progression of the song. The song is playing. And number 2, the kind of melody that the song is playing. If the song is playing like crucified, lay me high, you see, so if you want to play the solo, you see. If you watch the solo I'm playing, if you study the solo I'm playing, I'm moving with crucified, believe today. You see, I was following that progression, even though after I play all the courses was not playing with me, but I'm following the progression. And the solo, I was not just creating something, you see. You see, so I was playing something around the courses and the melody of the song, but the secret is that I'm not playing the fa and I'm not playing this T. So this my solo, these two notes is not part of my solo because of what? There's progression of the song. The above power, it contains the la, re, mi. So and the fa is ones inside. The fa is the major. So I'm not hitting. So the whole thing is like I'm using the pentatonic. You see, So I'm using this pentatonic note to create the solo. So I make sure I don't play the T and the Fa. You see, so let's do it for the last time and see. So I was following the progression in the song. I was following the progression. So the secret and the easy way to solo on your keyboard, sometimes you can hit some notes and you will not go off because of I don't play the T and the Fa. So I hardly go off from the note I'm playing. I'm using the, you see, I can use the F sharp. So I was using the pentatonic to play the solo and it's very nice. So try it and it's going to pick, but make sure you follow the courses and the melody in the song. And you can play the solo without touching the Fa and the T. These two notes, the F sharp, the Fa and the T. Then you use the pentatonic. You see, so I was not using the Fa and the T, and I was playing it. Okay, so try it and it's going to pick. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye.